Hi, welcome to this little update. We are currently working hard to get things put in order for leaving in 2 months. Currently, we've been doing some work on our cockpit cover on getting wood rot out of the top of it on MAKARA. And we've also been finishing up a remodel of the bathroom in our house, all in an attempt to kind of get everything in order so that we don't have to be concerned about things when we start this process. Here's some footage from all that. We'll be back after that. Oh. Yep. This is what getting ready to go sailing looks like when you own a house that you need to remodel before you go. Things we have to do.
Never ends.
Never ends. This is the price for us to go sailing. We have to do all these renovations. We're just finishing up this bathroom. We just had to get our house in order. And we're only 2 months away, I think as of today, from our date to move on the boat. So we're finishing this up and we've got one other project and then we gotta clean our house out and try to rent it. But in a minute, I'll show you a couple goodies for the boat. This is a really awesome thing. It's a 2-inch thick, or 2-inch wide, 1-inch thick by, I think that's 6-foot piece of aluminum. And you might be wondering what that's about. Well, we had a pretty different setup for our main sheet traveler on MAKARA that we just took off to fix the wood rot on the top of the cockpit cover. And I didn't want to put it back, so we're going to rebuild it using this. It actually has to fly over the hatch that opens up above your head at the helm, and so all the stress of the main sheet will be on this, but I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. So that was actually really cool. I got a couple more parts coming for it to rebuild this thing, and that was pretty awesome. I got, yeah, another cool thing, 1/8 inch by 4-inch by 1 foot piece of stainless 3/16L, and this is going to be made into the replacement. The old connection on the Traveler must have gotten really loaded one time and it bent it. Well, I'm just going to refabricate it using this, since it looks like it's made out of 1/8 stainless, and all I got to do is cut it and bore it to shape. So that's another cool one. And what was really cool is getting this Kiwi grip. Never used this stuff, but I think it's what's on top of the cockpit cover right now. And if it is, it's really good stuff. So, and I've had a couple other people at the marina say they've used it and it's really good. So I ordered this to redo the top after now that we've fixed the wood rot, and just going to get it all cleaned up and then put this stuff on and then start putting the winches and the traveler back on. Besides that, got 4 of these different feet for stanchions, and when we got the generator box made, what I didn't notice was there was already stress cracking on the old push bit feet, and with the generator on there, even though we've added 2 more feet, those stress fractures really showed up. So I have 2 choices: either I figure out how to get these 60-degree feet will work, or which I can yank one out here. So I got 2 of these 60-degree feet, and I'm really hoping they'll work by cutting off that bottom, and it'll fit into these, because it'll be much stronger at the main point. It gets stressed. I've got 2 90s, but they're obviously going to work for where the generator feet currently are, and they'll be stronger than what's on there now. If these 60s don't work, then I've got to bring my TIG, and I've been getting better at welds, but I'm going to have to repair those cracks. So we'll see.
What are you talking about?
Boats.
Projects.
Yeah, they're good projects.
Yes, they're all very good projects.
All right. So that's it. A few more items to come, and just ordered today. Just sent the money to a guy to get us a new Harkin Mark IV Series Unit 2 furler and a new forestay. So we'll get that on
Cool.
later this week, early next week when we're down at MAKARA. All right, we're out. Another thing, we're going to start our Patreon account now as we start to move into this transition, and we hope to grow it over time to be something that will actually help us to be able to be a little more independent and able to pursue some of the other goals that we hope to get to in the near future with sailing further off, and hopefully doing some pretty cool things with content. We're really looking forward to it. If you want to support us, we'll include the Patreon link down below. And thanks ahead for everybody's encouragement. It's been a big challenge so far, and over the next 2 months it's going to be bigger, but we're going to charge through this and take this step. Catch you next week with some more updates on rigging, the furler, and the top, and some welding on the boat, and should be all fun.